Hey guys, I'm showing this extra large Faraday bags. It's from the Caredgitz, and we get these samples to test and try to see how this work and how I feel. So let's try this. This is for the wallet. We show later on. These are the straps for all the bags. So they are the three pack Faraday bags for phone and laptop and tablet, or the key fob. These are Faraday pouches for the lanyard or the with the lanyard here. So you can see that the lanyard and the portable Faraday cages, this can be used for anti-hacking, anti-theft. So let's see, like the basic feature of this is to block the network. So you see like the mobile have my network, like the Wi-Fi and the mobile network. So I will put it in this Faraday bag, close it in this way, like the double fold close. And then after some time I will try to take it out. So I try calling it, so there is no network, but I don't know like how to show on the camera, but let's see if I can do it so fast, taking it out, that I can show like if there is a network or not here. So you can see the network is gone. So now it catch ups again because it is outside. So inside this Faraday bag, there is no network. So your device is actually out of the network. So it's pretty much is not connected elsewhere from outside. So for the tablet also they have a different size here that you can put in your tablet. Same two-way closing thing. So fold two times. And these are the lanyard that comes that you can put in. So you can just use it as a bag. So usually it blocks the Wi-Fi or the GPS signals or anything like the Bluetooth, RFID. So you can block like all this type of network. So yeah, for the laptops they have a bigger bag, and then you can also use a big laptop in this big bag or any other device you want to put. So basically a very nice and helpful thing while traveling or in certain areas where you want to protect your electronic devices and you want it to be out of the network for that particular thing. So here like you can use, and I shows that it actually block it. Also there is a bonus like a wallet card. You can put it in just in your wallet, so it will block all the RFIDs. So just put in this card in your wallet.